In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign a task in Asana using two easy methods. Asana, a well-known project management tool, helps keep teams organized and on track by allowing users to assign tasks in several different ways. Let's dive right in and explore how you can assign tasks efficiently. To begin, you'll want to open the task that you need to assign. This is easily done from your Asana dashboard by navigating to the specific task in your project list. Once you've found the task, click on it to open the task details in the right-hand panel of your screen. This panel is where you'll interact with most of Asana's task-specific features. Next, locate the assignee field within this right panel. This field is your gateway to assigning the task to a team member. It's generally easy to spot, being a central part of the task details alongside other fields such as due dates and task descriptions. This layout is designed to centralize all relevant task info, making assignment quick and efficient. Once you find the assignee field, click on it. Here you will see a drop-down menu that allows you to select from a list of your teammates. If the list is short, you can easily scroll through and find the necessary person to assign the task. However, if you have a larger team, you might find it more practical to type the name of the teammate you wish to assign directly into the field. This search function in Asana is intuitive and quick, ensuring that you can assign tasks with minimal hassle. Now for the second method, if the person you'd like to assign the task to is not yet part of your Asana team, don't worry, you can invite them directly. Look for the option to invite teammates via email. Click on this option and a text box will appear that allows you to enter the email address of the person you want to add to your project. Once you type in their email and send the invitation, they will receive an invitation to join your Asana workspace. These two easy ways, using the assignee field drop-down menu or inviting teammates via email, offer flexible approaches to task assignment in Asana. By understanding these methods, you can ensure that the right people receive the right tasks promptly. Before we wrap up, remember that efficiently assigning tasks is vital to maintaining a well-organized project flow. Feel free to explore additional Asana features beyond task assignment to further enhance your project management skills. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope these tips help streamline your Asana task assignments.